Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share how to make beetroot fry. For this, first add 3 tablespoons of oil in the pan. Let it heat. Now add mustard seeds in the hot oil and let it splatter. You can also add urad dal in the tempering. Now add peeled and chopped beetroot into the hot oil. Now add turmeric powder, salt, grated onion. Here I have used the onion and grated it. It gives nice taste, so I am using grated onion to beetroot and curry leaves. Mix once. And close the lid and cook for 5 to 7 minutes on medium flame. First we have to cook on medium flame, otherwise the beetroot will get burnt. After 7 minutes of medium flame cooking, stir. Do stir occasionally, otherwise the beetroot will get burnt. Now you can see that the beetroot is becoming soft. Like this we have to cook till the beetroot is become soft. Now add roasted chanadal powder. Here I have added 2 tablespoons of roasted chanadal powder. You can add according to, if the beetroot is more, you can add more chanadal powder, otherwise add less. Roast for 2 minutes and switch off the flame. Do try this recipe and let me know your comments. Do subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.